First, open your dashboard, also known as hPanel. Go to the Domains section. Click on Domain Portfolio. Find your domain and then click on Manage. Next, open the DNS or Name Servers settings. Here, enter your subdomain name, for example, test. Then enter your server IP address and click on Add Record. A confirmation dialog will appear showing your main domain along with the new subdomain. Click Confirm. Your DNS record has now been created successfully. Now, open your browser and enter your subdomain URL, for example, test.vstschool.com. You will see that your subdomain is working.
Go to hPanel and find your hostname. Here, root access is our host.
Now, we will upload our files to the server using FileZilla. Open FileZilla and enter your hostname, username, password, and port number. Then press Enter. Once connected, you will see your server directories. Inside the www folder, we will create new folder having name test in www folder. For this, open PuTTY, enter your hostname, and connect to the server using your password. Navigate to the www directory and create a new folder named test. Now, if you go back to FileZilla, you will see that the test folder has been created inside the www directory.
Here is our project, which is currently running on the local machine. Now, we will deploy this project to our subdomain. Before publishing, update the API URL to the one that we will deploy on the server. Now, run the publish command for the client-side application. After publishing, go to the local publish folder and upload the front-end files into the test directory using FileZilla. This process may take some time depending on the file size. Once completed, all front-end files will be successfully uploaded to the server.
Now create another folder named chatbot-LLM. Just like before, upload the FastAPI backend files into this folder. As you can see, the backend files are now also uploaded successfully. Next, we will create an Nginx configuration file for our subdomain. Open PuTTY, enter your hostname, and connect to the server using your password. This command is used to create or edit a website configuration file in Nginx. Now, copy and paste the configuration code into the terminal. In this configuration, we define the domain name, the front-end root path where the index.html file is located, and the back-end API proxy routing support. In simple terms, this configuration connects your domain with both front-end and back-end services. After pasting the code, save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then press Y and hit Enter.
Now, we will activate this configuration. In Nginx, there are two important folders: Sites Available, which contains all configuration files, and Sites Enabled, which contains only active websites. To make a website live, we create a link from Sites Available to Sites Enabled. This command creates that link and activates our website configuration. After that, run these commands. These commands check the configuration and apply the changes. Next, we configure our backend service. After pasting the code, save the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then press Y and hit Enter.
When we create or update a service file, systemd does not automatically detect changes, so we reload the systemd configuration. Then we enable the service so that it starts automatically when the server boots. After that, we start the service. This will run our backend application, which in this case is FastAPI with Nginx. We can also check the service status to confirm that it is running successfully. Now open your browser and enter the API URL. You will see that the backend API is running. Then open your frontend URL, clear the cache, and reload the page. Open PuTTY, enter your hostname, and connect to the server using your password. Finally, we will install an SSL certificate for our domain. First, update the system packages. Then run the command to install SSL using certbot. This will secure your domain with HTTPS. And that's it! Your application is now fully deployed and secured. Here, reload, and you can see that our website is running on HTTPS. Now, we will register by filling username, email, and password, and hit Register button. Boom! We have successfully logged into the system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit. Subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.